Have you ever stopped to think about what's at stake for the future of freedom? We're at a crucial moment in our history, where the ideas shaping our destiny are being challenged every day. And in this moment, the most important question is, who will defend freedom? Who will rise up and ensure that future generations live in a world where the ideas of liberty, free markets, individualism, personal choice are protected? I know you're here because just like me, you believe that freedom is not something that can be handed to us by others. It must be earned, it must be defended, and perhaps most importantly, it must be lived every single day. But the truth is, this fight is not easy. That's why LibertyCon exists. LibertyCon is not just an event. It's not just a place to hear discussions and attend lectures. LibertyCon is a place where the leaders of tomorrow, the defenders of liberty, come together. It's where the brightest minds in the liberty movement meet to discuss ideas, exchange experiences, and engage in a common purpose to build a freer future. What makes LibertyCon unique is its ability to bring together people from all walks of life: economists, politicians, academics, activists, entrepreneurs, all united by one common goal: to defend freedom. This year's lineup is unmatched. Bryan Caplan and Danielle DiMartino will talk about one of today's most controversial topics. Then there's Daryl Davis, the man who sits face to face with Klan members of KKK who hold deeply racist views against him and succeeds in changing their minds. And John Mackey, the co-founder of Whole Foods, will talk about the path from a pipe dream to the American dream, showing why the US is still one of the best places in the world to start a business. Imagine being there for a second, surrounded by hundreds, maybe thousands of people who share the same values, same passion, and a similar vision for the future. But LibertyCon isn't just about listening to these ideas, it's about experiencing them. With breakout rooms for hands-on workshops, interactive panels, and one-on-one networking opportunities, you're not just in the crowd, you're part of the action. Right now, you have a choice to make. Will you watch from the sidelines, or will you claim your place in the movement? Remember that the difference between a free society and a controlled society is made by the actions of individuals like you. By being a part of LibertyCon, you're stepping up, taking a responsibility, and becoming a leader in the fight for liberty. The world is waiting for those who are bold enough to defend freedom. I hope you will join us and be one of them.